Hello, today's activity will be the AIR self-determination skill. The purpose of this activity is to get an idea of how you go about getting what you want or need. This may occur at school or in other situations. It could be related to your friends, family, job, or other activities that you do in your life. Once you've clicked on the link, you will be able to go here, the AIR self-determination skill. This is the student form. Again, you can always write into these boxes here, type in your name, today's date, your school's name, your grade, and your date of birth. If you'd like to do this on paper and pen, hit print and print out a copy for yourself. So how to fill out this form? Please answer these questions about how you go about getting what you want or need. This may occur at school or after school, or it could be related to your friends, your family, or a job or hobby you have. This is not a test. There are no right or wrong answers. The questions will help you learn about what you do well and where you may need help. You may not be sure what some words in the questions mean. For example, the word goal is used a lot. A goal is something you want to get or achieve, either now or next week or in the distant future, like when you're an adult. You can have many different kinds of goals. You can have a goal that has to do with school, like getting a good grade on a test or graduating from high school. You could have a goal of saving money to buy something, a new iPod or new speakers, or doing better in sports, getting on the basketball team. Everyone's goals are different because everyone has different wants, needs, or things they're good at. Plan. Another word that is used in some of the questions is plan. A plan is the way you decide to meet your goal, or the steps you need to take in order to get what you want or need. Like goals, you can have many different kinds of plans. An example of a plan to meet the goal of getting on the basketball team would be to get better by shooting more baskets at home after school, to play basketball with friends on the weekend, to listen to the coach when the team practices, and to watch the pros play basketball on TV. How are you going to mark your answers? Example question. I check for errors after completing a project. Example answer. Mark the answer which tells what you are most like. Mark only one answer. 1. Never. Student never checks for errors. 2. Almost never. Student almost never checks for errors. 3. Sometimes. Student sometimes checks for errors. 4. Almost always. Student almost always checks for errors. 5. Always. Student always checks for errors. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. This will not affect your grade, so please think about each question carefully before you mark your answer. Before we go on, we're going to identify what kinds of questions you will be answering. So the AIR self-determination skill has 4 sets of questions. They are grouped by things I do, how I feel, what happens at school, what happens at home. There are 3 additional questions that ask you to write in some answers. Remember, there are no wrong answers. Now let's go back to the worksheet. Alright, so let's start with things I do. Question 1. I know what I need, what I like, and what I'm good at. You will select never, almost never, sometimes, almost always, or always. You will do this for each question, and you will answer each question. Take your time. Once you finish a section, it will give you a score. You will do this for every section, and at the end, it'll summarize your score. And this just tells you or gives you an idea of how you can take charge of how you make your decisions for yourself. Okay, after you've done all the questions above, you will write answers in the following boxes. So give an example of a goal you are working on. It could be a short-term goal such as getting a good grade. It could be a bigger goal such as graduating from high school or getting a job, going to college. And then you're going to answer, what are you doing to reach this goal? So what are you doing now that's going to help you achieve this goal? Are you going to school every day? Are you doing your homework? And how well are you doing in reaching this goal? Set timelines for yourself. Check in with somebody or check your progress. Again, there are no right or wrong answers, and there are different areas that you can answer questions in. Things I do, how I feel, what happens at school, what happens at home. So you get to choose what area you want to focus on. And it could be related to one of those statements. Make sure you record your answers. There are no right or wrong answers. Take your time. When you are finished, give a copy to your transition teacher or your transition assistant. Thank you.